Good morning, everyone. So today we are here for the course of digital marketing. So our today first session is introduction to digital marketing. Before going ahead, I want to ask you something. How many have you interacted with Instagram today? And have you interacted with YouTube videos yesterday, today? Have you watched any YouTube ads? So today, average people spend 3 to 5 hours on mobile. Yes or no? Nowadays, what we are using almost social media through mobile. Even some people spend more time on mobile only. Almost we can say 10 to 12 hours also. I spend 10 to 12 hours searching, surfing, social media, learning, chat GPT, etc. See, before earlier, what we used to do? We used to read newspaper, watch TV, went to market for shopping. But today everything is happening on mobile. So today everything is happening on mobile. For example, shopping. How we are doing shopping? Online, that is on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. Okay? And learning. How we are learning new things? Through YouTube. And how we are doing communication? Through WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp. And entertainment, we have the apps. No, entertainment, we have the apps of Instagram and Facebook. Insta and Facebook. Okay. So today we are doing almost online. Shopping online, learning online, communication through mobile, that is also online, and entertainment we have Instagram and YouTube. So where people go, business follow there. When people shifted online, mostly we are into now online platforms only. So business also shifted online. That shift is called digital marketing. So now directly will not jump on digital marketing. Directly digital marketing nahi dekhte. First we'll see what? Marketing. What is marketing? So first, instead of seeing directly jumping into digital marketing, we'll see normal marketing. Marketing is the process of identifying customer needs and promoting products or services to satisfy those needs. See, this is our class. What is the product in my company? No, the product is my courses. So I need to sell my courses. So I need to promote my courses. Every business has the product. For example, a manufacturing company, a pen manufacturing company, that is their product is pen. And my education institute, my product is courses. They need to sell pen, I need to sell courses. Breakdown. First, what we need to do? Identify needs. What customer wants. Promoting. Showing your product. We need to do the promotions. Then selling. Convincing to buy. In every business, there is a selling point. Convincing the customer to buy the product. Convincing the student to take admission for the courses. So, convincing is the main part for the marketing. We can say selling point. Okay. So now we'll see one story. For example, we have opened a tea stall. We speak, हमने बहुत स्लो बात किया है. We speak very slowly. No awareness. किसी को पता नहीं है कि यहाँ टी का स्टॉल ओपन हुआ है. No awareness. Then, if there is no awareness, then there is no customer. You shout. Like for example, टी का स्टॉल है. तो स्टॉल है तो हम बोल रहे हैं जोर से चाय चाय. Showing awareness to the people. So people notice. इफ वी स्पीक एंड से एडवर्टाइज, तो जो लोग जो आते जाते हैं वो नोटिस करते हैं. यू गिव ऑफर, कुछ ऑफर रख रहे हो आप, 20% डिस्काउंट, 40% डिस्काउंट. सो व्हाट, कस्टमर, पीपल मीन्स कस्टमर ट्राई दैट प्रोडक्ट. यू डेकोरेट स्टॉल, मतलब जो आपका टी स्टॉल है उसको बहुत एकदम अच्छा अट्रैक्टिव डेकोरेट किया है. देन पीपल ट्रस्ट दैट एंड देन मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. इफ वी ओपन एनी बिजनेस एंड वी आर जस्ट सिटिंग, कस्टमर्स आएंगे एंड वी विल सेल अवर प्रोडक्ट. बैठे बैठे कस्टमर्स आएंगे. ओपन करने के बाद बिजनेस हम कैबिन में बैठ रहे हैं, कस्टमर्स आएंगे. So we need to do the awareness for that business for getting customer. But I am telling you this is of offline marketing. Yet we have not moved to digital marketing. Everything you did is marketing. Marketing is everything you do to attract the customers. Like attractive place, some good offers. So for that we create a marketing awareness for the customers. Okay, so now we'll see the traditional marketing. What it includes: newspaper ads. Before, what we were doing? Before this digital marketing, we were doing the traditional offline marketing. So newspaper ads, newspaper में ads देते थे, TV में ads, hoardings and pamphlets. Like, I'll give one example of hoarding. For example, हमने नवी मुंबई में एक hoarding लगाया है. वो hoarding, who will visit that hoarding? किसको visible होगा वो hoarding? Only Navi Mumbai. See, for example, I had put one hoarding in Kharghar. So people walking on that road and street can view that hoarding. Apart from that, कोई दूसरा देखेगा? नहीं. But in online marketing, everyone can see. In fact, globally, people can see and interact to that ad. But here, in hoarding, you are putting in one area. तो वहां के जो लोग आते जाते वही देखेंगे. दूसरे जो है apart from that in other place of Mumbai, anyone will see? No. So that is the difference between offline and online marketing. Pamphlets, we distribute pamphlets. So pamphlets will go to the particular customer only. Whether it will go all over world globally, no. But in digital marketing, we can do online globally also. This pamphlet will go for the particular customers only. So in hoarding, there is no targeting, no tracking, and that is high cost. समझे ना? Target, how we will target? How many customer has visited that hoarding? How many customers saw that hoarding? We have any range? We don't have. So we don't have any targeting. We don't know. No tracking record is there. कितने लोग ने देखा हमें पता नहीं. And that cost is also very high. So now we'll learn about the digital marketing. Digital marketing is promoting products or services using digital platform like mobile, internet, social media, search engine and website. If marketing happens using mobile or internet, so that is called digital marketing. What digital marketing includes? It includes Google search, Instagram ad, YouTube ad, email and websites. These are the online platform for the digital marketing. So now we'll see one example of Google's case studies. Like in a Google, you are searching for best gym near me. So ad appears. आफ्टर यू सर्च, आप लोग सर्च करने के बाद एड आपके सामने ना एड्स आना स्टार्ट होंगे ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे. हैव यू एवर नोटिस? हाँ. देन एसईओ रिजल्ट आएगा ऑर्गेनिक. देन यू विल गेट अ वेबसाइट like to fill a form. You will get a contact number, WhatsApp, click there and to do enquiry. Then you will click a website and you will take a action. And other example like in YouTube, you watch a video, ad appears, means आप कोई YouTube पे वीडियो देख रहे हो और आपके सामने एक एड आया. आपने लाइक कुछ सर्च किया रहेगा इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लासेस, आपको यूट्यूब वीडियो में ऐड आया. आपने वो ऐड कभी मांगा था? आपने वो ऐड को सर्च किया था? वो आया, मीन्स एड अपीयर्स, एसईओ आया, क्लिक, वेबसाइट एंड एक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. यू आर वॉचिंग वन यूट्यूब वीडियो, एड अपीयर्स, आपने वो एड सर्च किया ही नहीं था, फिर भी आया वो एड, बिकॉज यू आर सर्चिंग समथिंग फॉर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लास, तभी वो एड आया. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टारगेट मार्केटिंग. Here you have searched best gym near me in a Google, then it shows the result. But here YouTube you watch something, but before you were searching, I want to see spoken English classes near me. हाँ, कभी एक दो दिन पहले भी सर्च किया होगा, बट आपके YouTube पे एड आया, आपने एड का वो सर्च नहीं किया था, सो दैट यू आर द टारगेट ऑडियंस फॉर दैट एड, फॉर गेटिंग कस्टमर्स. सो ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है, ये है टारगेट मार्केटिंग. So why digital marketing is so powerful? The reason one is customer behavior changed. Earlier, before it was offline, and for doing any shopping, जो हमें shopping भी करना रहता है, हम शॉप टू शॉप जाते थे, वहां पर 1-2 hours टाइम स्पेंड करते, ट्रैवलिंग होता था. नाउ बैठे बैठे घर बैठे शॉपिंग हो जाती है. So customer behavior change. Before it was offline, now it is online. So shopping, how we do? You know the shopping apps, Amazon, Myntra, before I told you. Learning we do to YouTube, and chats we do through WhatsApp. And what is the reason to? If your business is not online, customer cannot find you. आपका business online platform पे नहीं है, तो customer आपको नहीं find कर पाएगा. So if you are not on Google, you are not visible. Like आपने कोई business open किया है, आपका ना गूगल है, ना वेबसाइट है, ना फेसबुक है, ना इंस्टाग्राम है, ना यूट्यूब है, सो विजिबल है, हाउ योर बिजनेस विल ग्रो. इफ यू आर नॉट ऑन गूगल, यू आर नॉट विजिबल टू एनी कस्टमर और एनी क्लाइंट. सो कोचिंग वी गेट थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम एड्स, एंड फ्रीलांसिंग वी गेट थ्रू द लिंक्डइन, एंड शॉप वी डू थ्रू व्हाट्सएप. So what are the advantages of digital marketing? First, it is cost effective. Like in offline marketing, टीवी कॉस्ट, टीवी में अगर हम कुछ पहले ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग में स्पेंड करते थे, बहुत मीन्स थाउजेंड्स लैक्स में इट कॉस्ट, बट डिजिटल एड कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 100 ऑल्सो, 100-200 बहुत भी वी कैन स्पेंड, बट वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 100 rupees ऑल्सो फॉर ऑनलाइन एड्स. एंड इट इज टारगेटेड, लाइक age, location, interest. It show the target marketing. Means for example, I said you have searched anything on Google. That same thing, digital platform, we can see through the ads. Measurable. Views, click, conversation. For example, in offline marketing, कुछ measure कर सकते हैं. हमने आज 1000 pamphlets बांटा. हमें पता है कितने के हाथ में गया और how many had viewed that pamphlet. We know 1000 we had distributed. But whether we can measure that? No. Here views, click, and we can see the conversation in one ad. How many views? 1000 views. And how many people has click? And in 1000, 100 we are getting the conversation ratio from that ads. Global reach means you can sell anywhere all over the world. Globally you can sell your product or services. Instant result. Like the same day आपने ad डाला है, same day you can get the lead, same day you will get the lead also if your ad is that much authentic. Okay, so now we'll see the real life example. Instagram, what you do, you scroll the video, then you see the ads, then you click and take the action through Instagram. And through Google, what you do, you search. Here you scroll, and here you search, and you see the ad and SEO, then you take a call. In YouTube, before watching any YouTube video, क्या देखते हो आप? You see the ads. What you do, you skip, या तो skip करते हो or else you watch in YouTube. In WhatsApp, what you get? Direct marketing through messages. And what influencer do? They promote product. So now we'll see the digital channels. SEO, search engine optimization. Now we'll see the basic detailed concept. I'll let you know. It is for ranking. And Google ads are paid. Social media. What we have for social media? Instagram or Facebook. Content writer, you know, bloggers, blogs and videos. You have seen content writer where you can see the blogs, videos on YouTube's. And email is for promotion. And affiliate, it is for commission. So these are the digital marketing channels on online platform. So digital marketing is very essential in today's world, whether it is for job or business. These skills keep you grow faster.